Malians.
See me see trouble.
I have a question.
Am I a Yahoo boy?
Uno te puna jalina. No misisi. Oluto bari sagwe. Penye toya. Penye twa. Hey! I see my son is coming. My boy is coming. He's coming. On his way. He's coming. Yes. Yahoo. My son is coming. Yes. Aminu, Toto Puto Potona Taminu, Jelole Naminu.
Contact me. Naramali@yahoo.com. Government na barawu. Bloggers na hamburger. Imam de gbaradu. Pastor na enjoyment. Oya Yahoo. Ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ ká dààmú. Bàgà tó sọ omi sẹ́. Àríwá kó má dàrú. Ìpìlẹ̀ Yahoo.
My son, don't be afraid. I know who you are. You are a Yahoo boy. You come to seek for money, right? You will be paying. You come to see, I will give you a chance. Hey, my son, I will give you a chance. You'll be collecting 500,000 every weekend. 20 million. My son, 20 guineas. 20 what? 20 million in a way. Wait. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. My son, 20 guineas. 20 million. My son, wait, let me be your gate man.
See me see trouble. Am I a Yahoo boy?